Assalamualaikum student. Today we will discuss how we can solve the simultaneous equation graphically. So our topic for today is how to solve simultaneous equation graphically. For this, let's suppose we have a question x plus y equals to 2 and 2x minus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. And we have to solve these two equations graphically. So again, uh, s- the procedure remains the same. First of all, we make both the equation either y equals to mx or y equals to mx plus c. And then for each of the equation, we find the order pair and then we plot the order pair of both the equation on a same graph. Recently, we have one equation and we place a plot the order pair on different graph. Now we plot the order pair on same graph for both the equation on a same graph. So first of all, I make this equation y equals to mx plus in convert this equation to y equals to mx plus c. You can see y equals to 2 minus x. I move this x to I move this x to this side. So I get y equals to 2 minus x. Same way, I move this minus cy to this side and then move this 3 to this side so that it will become y equals to mx plus c form. Now we can find the order pair of both the equations. So for this, first of all, we make the table of order pair. Uh, you already know how to find the order pair, as x is the independent variable and y the dependent variable. So we place the value of x and find the value of y. So what happened if I place 1? So if I place 1 in position of x, I get value of y as 1. If I place 2, I get I get 0. And if I place 3 in place of x, I get minus 1. And if I plot minus 1 in position of x, I get 3. So these are the order pair of this equation. Okay, you can find all the order pair by solving it, just like y equals to 2 minus, if I plot 1 in position of x, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So you can find these order pair by solving this. I calculate in my mind, therefore I fill this table. Same way for this equation, again I try to find the order pair for this equation. Again, independent variable is x and dependent variable is y. Y depends on the value of x. If I play, now you have to make sure that your answer should be in, it should not be in fraction form. So if I place 1, I get 2 on the 2 plus 5 7. 7 is not cancelled by 3, therefore I can't place 1 in the position of x. If I place 2 to the 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Yeah, I get it. 9 is can be cancelled by 3, so I can place 2 in place of x. So I place 2 and I'll show you how we can get the value of y. So 2 plus 5 over 3 means 9 over 3 and 9 over 3 means 3. So it's up to you. If you want to solve it, you will get the answer 9 over 3, y equals to 9 over 3, and this means 3. So when I place the value of x as 2, I get 3. Now if I place the value, if I place the value, uh, now next value I will place 2 plus the 5, I'll get 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. When I place x 5, I'll get y value of y as 5. Now if I place value 8, 2 8 is 16 plus 5 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So when I place 8 in place of x, I get 7. And the same way, if I place the value, In minus 1 to minus 2 plus 5 3, minus 2 plus 5 3, and 3 divided by 3 1. So I'll get 1. You can check it by solving all these, by plotting all these values in the place of x and calculating the value of y. So now if when I find the order pair of both the equation, now next task is to plot these value on a graph. So now I try to place the values on a graph. So for this, as I have to use new sheet, so I'll open the new sheet. Now I have to place the value, plot the value for all these order pairs. So x equals to 1, first is x equals to 1, y equals to 1. It means that x1, y1 I plot here. Then x2, y0, x2, y0. Next point is this. Then x3, y minus 1. So x3 and value of y is minus 1, then plot there. And then x minus 1, y3. X minus 1 and y3. So I plot all the four values of this equation, and then I join these points. I'll get a straight line like this. Same you have to do with second equation. Now I plot x2, y3. On the same graph, I'll plot x2, y3. Then x5, y5, x5, and then y5. Same way I plot x8, y7, x8, and y7. So I plot the point here, x8 and y7. And the last point is x minus 1, y1, minus 1 and 1. So I plot last point here. Now again, I've joined all these four points with a straight line. It means that I plot all the 4 points correctly. That's why we get two straight line. Now what we have to do after drawing these two straight line on the same graph, I have to check where these two lines cut each other or intersect each other. So if I zoom it, you can see I'm looking forward to how can I zoom this a bit. So if I zoom it, you can see these two equations cutting each other. I choose the value 5 small box equals to 1. My scale is 5 small box equals to 1. So if I can see that it will cutting at this point on x-axis and this point on y-axis. It means that as 5 small box equals to 1, it means that one box representing 0.2. So my wait a minute, I'll show you so that you're not confused. If I check this point where these two lines intersect, I check it cut on this point, and according to my scale, 5 small box representing 1 means one box representing 0.2. So value of x is 0.2, 0.2, and value of y as this point intersecting there, it means that it will be touching this point here on y-axis. So 5 small box means 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, and 1.8. So my value of y is 1.8. That is the solution set of the equation. What we have to do, we have to find a point where these two lines intersect each other. For this, we need to remember what is the value of one box. If I choose a scale, 5 small box equals to 1 means that one small box representing point 2. That's why when I check it, where this point intersect, I see that it intersect on x-axis as there and y-axis on there. So value of x will be zero point 0.2 and value of y will be 1.8. Now we have to verify whether the solution set representing the correct value. We have to plot this value in any one of the equations. So if I plot this value in this equation, I get 1.8. I have to verify it as my equation is x plus y equals to 2. That is my equation, one of the equation. So what we will do, we will check it by plotting the value zero point 0.2 plus 1.8 equals to 2. So 2 equals to 2, it means that our equation is verified. This is how you can solve the simultaneous equation graphically. Plot, first of all, find the order pair of both the equations, then plot all the order pair of the equation on the same graph, and then find the point of intersection of both the lines. The point where both the lines cut, note down this point as solution set, and then verify it by plotting these points in any one of the equation. I hope you understand how to solve the simultaneous equation. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.